Daghanang nangutana kagabi kung tinuod ba tong nakita siyang unconscious sa iyahang room. Dili to tinuod o walay nahitabo nga ingato. In fact, sa pagtawag natulog siya ato nga panahona and gitawagan siya sa abogado o pangutana siya kung tinuod ba nga nakitaan ka nga unconscious sa imong kwarto, insya wala. And maybe it was just a prank by many of my supporters. Shout out sa Reaction Vlog YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Mabuhay kayo.
Having our Vice President here joining us sa ating Duterte Run Leg 2.
So grateful for you coming over and supporting the 230 Run today, right here, right now. And ladies and gentlemen, the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Honorable Sara Zimmerman Duterte.
Mga kababayan, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Madayaw, mayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Sayuha ba ani? Uy, grabe mo. Kay balo mo, di ba? Nga dili ko nag-a-attend og fun run. Pero tungod kay naamo dinhi tanan, naapod ko dinhi. Basta Pilipina, ma'am, gwapa gid na. Tanan Pilipina din nga nagtindog, gwapa na sa pananaw sa tibuok kalibutan. For after all, sa Miss Universe, pila ka buok ang ato ang winners? 4. We have 4 winners sa Miss Universe. So undoubtedly, the beauty of the Filipina is global. Yeah. Mubuon na lang nako ni kay musaka na ang adlaw. Unya, mga daot ang inyohang mga kutis. Yes, kung maabtan mo mag-jogging sa kabalo mo unsa kasayuning inyohang event. Unang-una, wala na ako naligo. Pero nag-toothbrush ko Nag-toothbrush ko. Wala na ako naligo. Nanimaho pa kong efficacent gikan sa masahe kagabi. Tapos, isa lang kabuok medyas ang ako ang nabira. Ingana kasayo ang inyong event. First off, I'd like to thank the organizers on Any Sunday Riders and to our partners, the Orangutri Triathlon Team. Congratulations sa inyong tanan mga organizers for keeping the spirit of bringing former President Rodrigo Duterte back home in the Philippines safely. For keeping the spirit alive. Thank you very much. And of course, I would like to thank the participants to this fun run. You are supporting Field of Dreams Davao and Bantay Hayop Davao. Daghang salamat. Tungod kaninyo, masuportahan nato ang mga non-government organizations nga nagasuporta sa mga hayop o mga kabatan-unang lalaki. The fact that you chose to spend your Sunday morning on the Davao Coastal Road is not just for the thrill of the ride, but for something bigger. And we are truly grateful. On behalf of the family, we thank you as well for your prayers and your continued support to former President Rodrigo Duterte. Daghanang nangutana kagabi kung tinuod ba tong nakita siyang unconscious sa iyahang room. Dili to tinuod o walay nahitabo nga ingato. In fact, sa pagtawag natulog siya ato nga panahona and gitawagan siya sa abogado og gi pangutana siya kung tinuod ba nga nakitaan ka nga unconscious sa imong kwarto in siya wala, and maybe it was just a prank by many of my supporters. So dili to tinuod, and we hope to hear good news for the public hearing on his on the appeal for his interim release on November 28. But if not, we will continue to the family will continue to support him in his stay in The Hague, in the Netherlands, and of course continue to work with the defense team with regard to his legal case. So daghan salamat kaninyong tanan. I hope you enjoy your fun run, and don't forget your sunblock and your hydration, your water. Very important. Maayong buntag. Syukran.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Honorable Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Ayan po. And our Vice President will do the honor of pushing the button for our 3K runners, ladies and gentlemen. How about that? No? Meron tayong special treat in this run. Thank you very much, Vice President. All right, so we're counting down the last 10 seconds. Here we go. Sabay-sabay po tayong pagbilang, and then our Honorable Vice President will push the button for the starting horn. Let's go. At 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the run!
Baka nalimutan niyo po, tatakbo po kayo.
Itaas sa mga kamay. Let's all show our love and support for Tatay D and of course our dear Vice President, Sara Duterte. Hoy, tumatakbo yung oras. Tuloy-tuloy lang po ang inyong takbo. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Vice President. Maraming salamat.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Alright, there you go.
the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines,
And we are so honored having her around.
the Honorable Sara Zimmerman Duterte.
It is indeed a special treat for everyone sa atong mga Dabawenyo, and even sa mga supporters po ng mga Duterte coming from the different parts of the country, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Thank you very much. And again, as what mentioned by our dear Vice President, let's keep on praying, hoping, crossing our fingers na makauwi na talaga si Tatay Digong po sa Pilipinas, and especially here sa lungsod ng Davao. We miss him already.
And we
right?
will have a very Merry Christmas.
Yes. Let's all pray and bring Tatay Digong home safe and sound sa Davao.
With our prayers, let's continue to pray for Tatay Digong and the Duterte family, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much po. Mukhang ayaw na nilang tumakbo.
Tatakbo ba kayo o hindi?
Starstruck. Actually, kami din po, starstruck. Goosebumps nga. Goosebumps. Oh. Kami si Vice, no? Baka nagyapon. Wala na siya nakahilabos.
Kasi na isa lang ang medyas.
Kasi ang medyas, guwapa nagyapon. That's our dear Vice President po. Yan. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, kahit na wala ng boses si Vice,
Yes.
she came and she showed up just like you did. Thank you for showing up today for the 2:30 run. Please post your pictures. Hashtag bring him home.
That's our Vice President, Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Indeed, it's a special treat for everyone who's here. Diba? Di na sayang yung pagising niyo sa umaga na madaling araw. Yung iba, napitin yung tulog.
Sa sunod, di na dyan yan kumudawan mo daga ng 21K sa 3K dyan kumudagan.
So, katong mga nag-21K, they missed something. But nevertheless, they did something good naman.
Yes.
And that is showing the support for our dear tatay, Tatay Digo. Yun lang, na-miss nila ang presence ng ating Honorable Vice President.
But still, the gratefulness of the Duterte family stands for all the runners, the 5,000 runners who run today for
Yes.
2:30 run. Bring him home.
Wala, di na din sila managan yun. I'm sure you guys are enjoying this time together with our dear Vice President. It's not an everyday thing na lumalabas po siya sa public, okay? Especially on run events like this, no?
Yes, yes.
We've been hosting events, fun runs, but dito lang po sa Duterte Run natin makikita si Vice President po. I'm sure yung iba excited na for the next leg, Run 3.
Okay, si VP magkuhan ba? Mag-selfie, no?
Lagi, mas maayo pa si VP mag-selfie kaysa ko. Kaya ako ang selfie kanina, nagurog ko. Nagurog ko sa excitement.
Wala yung tayo live pa, no?
Yes. Dagang salamat sa suporta, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Try na ako diri sa ako ang area kung pwede ba na ako mag-positivity.
May pagay si VP na nag-unit sa camera kanina, no? Mas stable pa.
Lagi? Dapat ay 5.1. 5.1 na siya. Ayan. Pwede po din magpa-selfie kay VP. Dagang salamat yung kaayo, VP. Dagang salamat sa inyo ang pagtambong. Kung hindi na dyan sila managan ba? Praktisado nyo guys si VP mag-selfie, no? May paspas man.
Oo, siguro hindi masahe sa iya ba, no? Iyang kamot. Kami. Grabe ba, no? Ang nag-unit sa ilang cellphone, si VP pa dyan.
Lagi. 1BT ba? No?